What's going on, guys? I'm Claudio from ITZONE. Today we're going to do a repair on an iPhone X that has a full short. It looks like this board has some Chinese stickers on them. There's also some Chinese writing inside the housing as well. Comes from one of my B2B shops. They sold this about 6 months ago and today came in as no power. Connected to my power supply and has 2 amps short. That's what my power supply is set to, 2 amps before prompt to boot. So we're going to split the boards. We're going to isolate the lower layer from the top layer, and we're going to see where the short is. Probably it's just a cap and we're going to replace it. I'm using my Sunshine preheater. I'm going to put a screw into this small screw hole here so I can lift the board. Okay, and I also have to cut this black tape that covers that goes over the top board and the SIM reader, because it's gonna be sticky there. So preheater, it's on. Just waiting for it to heat up. Now I'm going to open schematic as well in the meantime. So it's an iPhone X. More than likely the short, it's gonna be on the top board. We had them before. Shorted caps around the PMIC, around. We had some with this cap shorted on LDOs before. This one short on the VDD MAIN, could be a short on the VDD boost as well. So we're just waiting for it to heat up and then we can inject power, see what line it's shorted, and it's probably going to be just a simple repair. My preheater is at 100 now, 110, so not much longer left. Just gonna peel those stickers now when the board is still hot. So it's not going to take away any components around the FPCs. Attach them to my microscope as usual. Now, now it's already starting to move, so we're going to take this board out nicely without breaking any pads, and we're not going to reball it. We're just gonna reattach the boards with the original solder. See all the pads looking good here. I'm just gonna let this to cool down a bit. We're going to do a quick visual inspection. That's always the first step. And maybe we will find the problem without even doing anything. Don't see anything unusual here. Don't see any burn marks. I don't see any discoloration on the caps. Don't see anything. So, rosin dust, I'm just gonna use my favorite method. And then we're going to inject power into VCC bat and see if we are lucky this way. If not, we'll have to inject straight into VCC main. I'm just doing it all over the board. Now, this should be enough. This should be enough. So let's connect to the power supply using the iPower Max. And let's see if we have any luck. Have you seen that? This cup here, there is the MOSFET there as well that switches between VAT and main, and that got hot as well, but we were lucky enough to spot this. So just gonna do it one more time. I'm also going to lower the amps, so it's gonna yeah, have you seen that there? So this is our problem. Going to clean the board now with alcohol. So this is our cup here. I'm just gonna take it off. I'm just gonna break it off rather than using heat. Don't want to damage the Tigris Spock coils there. Come on. You nasty.
Just give me a minute, please. Give me a minute. Huh? Give me a minute, okay? Please.
would have probably been quicker taking it off with the heat. Now, took around 25 minutes to take it off, but it's out now. I'm just gonna clean a little bit around and then we're going to put a new cap there.
So, I have your favorite phone to fix. Here's the screen. And 45 euro, 10 15 minutes. Yeah. Put your screen. Yeah, you know the Wi-Fi signal. Share the screen. I can check to see maybe it's an antenna or something. Let me check it, okay? You haven't.
The Wi-Fi signal is shit. Well, the Wi-Fi signal is shit because you dropped your phone and the antenna fell off.
So this button,
That's why it's shit.
no one can do it. I mean, I can put you a new button.
So, just gonna apply some flux.
Yeah, touch ID. Okay, the button, it's with the flex, with volume button, with the. So this one is going to be like 35 euro. Okay. You have to bring it down so I can check everything. I can give you
Okay, apparently I have to use the big ass iron rather than increasing the temperature on this one. Let me see if I can fit this one here. No, I can't, so I'll just increase the temperature in this one.
You pay me when you get it.
Yeah, that's on 450 now. Just want to take away the pad that was left by the cup. Oh. It's on 450 and it's still not enough. I'm gonna use some help from the heat gun. That should be fine there. So I'll look for a donor cap. That's my donor boards here. Okay, back to our board. Bit of flux. Yeah, and that's just fine there. Going to test my multimeter and see if the shirt is gone now. That's fine. I was just checking if this line is not touching with this. It's not. And the shirt is gone as well. I'm gonna connect it to this power supply just to make sure. But it's not on that line anymore. Perfect. Shirt is gone, so it's time to put this back on the layers. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat on. I'm going to apply some flux. That should be enough. Get this back in place. Yeah, that looks good. So we're just waiting for it to heat up again. Give it a bit of nudge when it's done, and then apply some small pressure, and that's it. Job done. Come on, hurry up. It's not ready yet. I should have a bit bounce here.
Done? Done? No, what it is? Down.
Yeah. I'd say that this one is done here now. Can actually give them a nudge and it's fine.
Okay, deci chat import. Done. Vino cu telefonul la magazin și
So I'm going to apply some pressure on it now and I'm going to switch it off and wait for it to cool down.
Adu dacă ai timp astăzi și poate nu știu chiar tot, nu știu, adu să văd aici să vezi. Am și încărcători de la Datarecovery. Nu faci aici. Da. Adu când
That's the most time consuming, just waiting for it to heat up and cool down and so on. The repair was pretty much straightforward. Now, I think this is done. So we're gonna leave it to cool down for a bit and then we're going to test our functionality. And hopefully everything is going to be okay. I'm a bit concerned of this here, that it got moved, but we will see in a minute now. Yeah, just 2 minutes.
Just 1 minute, please, okay? My colleague is coming.
Let's take this away. I'm going to switch cameras when I'll see this. Now, perfect. So this is booting now. Just gonna test touch and Wi-Fi and make sure we're getting signal and everything. But that was pretty much everything with the Reaper. Touch is working. I don't have the password handy here, but everything seems to be fine. We don't get an error with update to get network back. So I'd say that's everything pretty much. Thanks very much for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more videos, for more tricks and so on. Thank you. Bye bye.